In this video, we are to solve a question on variance. We are given, find the variance of x given this. So, solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So first, what is variance? Variance of x given is equal to the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x all squared. The first thing to find is the expectation of x. The expectation of x is equal to summation of x times f of x. So how do we compute this first, which is for this value? The expectation of x is equal to x 0 multiplied by 1 all over 8 plus and multiplied by 3 all over 8 plus 2 multiplied by 3 all over 8 plus 3 multiplied by 1 all over 8. So it then means that our expectation of x is equal to 0 plus 3 all over 8 plus 6 all over 8 plus 3 all over 8. Of course, you can find the LCM of 8, which is also equal to, if they have the same denominator, we say 3 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 12. So we have 12 all over 8. 2 here is 6, 2 here is 4, 2 here is 3, 2 here is 2. So our expectation or expected value of x is equal to 3 all over 2. Now, we are to find expected value of x squared. The expected value of x squared is equal to the summation of xi's value, x squared multiplied by f of x. So it then means that we can calculate for this. So this we have 0 squared multiplied by 1 all over 8 plus 1 squared multiplied by 3 all over 8 plus 2 squared multiplied by 3 all over 8 plus 3 squared multiplied by 1 all over 8. That is what it simply means. So since we have gone through this, it then means that our expectation of x squared will be equal to, of course, this is 0 plus 1 squared multiplied by this is 3 all over 8 plus 2 squared is 4. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 all over 8 plus 3 squared is 9. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9 all over 8. So we have here to be 4 plus 9 is 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have 24 all over 8. Of course, 24 can cancel. Here, 2 can cancel to give us 12. 2 here, 4. 2 here, 6. 2 here, 2. 2 into 6 is 3. 2 into 2 is 1. So the whole of this is 3. So our expected value of x squared is 3. Now, we come back to what we have as our variance. We said our variance of x. We cannot find our variance since we have gotten the expectation of x squared minus the expectation of x all squared. So we have the value for this and we have the value for this. The value for this is 3 all over 2. Sorry. The value for the expected value of x is 3 all over 2. And the value for expected value of x squared is 3. So we have here as 3 minus the value for expected value of x is 3 all over 2. Then we put our squared. So this is the variance. The next thing to do as we have this is that we move over to this side to find the variance to complete the computation. So we move over to this side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So here we have our variance to be, our variance of x will now be 3 minus 3 squared is 9 all over 2 squared is 4, which is the same thing as 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 minus 9 all over 4, which is equal to 12 minus 9 is 3 all over 4. So this becomes our variance of x. This is how we can compute the variance of x if we have this type of equation. So these are the simple computation. The first thing to do is to find the expected value of x, then find the expected value of x squared. Then we can now compute our variance. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.